I got water in my ears, water in my nose, and water in places I didn't know that water goes. Almost at the airport at Fort Lauderdale, heading to Puerto Rico. See you there. We got a window seat, and this is one that requires us to be
emergency superheroes.
So in case something happens, we have to follow these instructions. Open this door. We're about to take off. Here we go. Here we go. We are at the Airbnb, and this is how it looks. I would hate to drop this camera in this pool right now. Let's suck it.
Hold on to it.
All right, here we go. We're at the hotel here at the Airbnb. Traffic is a little bit wild out here, so everything's gonna be Uber from there to here, here to there. Right now, we're gonna go get some food in us before we go bar hopping. I don't know what I'm gonna get into, but it's gonna be rough and rugged. Day 2. Last night was super fun. We have a couple little vertical clips I think I can add. I didn't bring my camera to record us having a good time, but you'll see other people having a good time. Her and I were like dancing. We were like the life of the party. It was just so fun. So now we are dressed in our hiking attire, and we're gonna go and explore the rainforest. Yeah, right? You just gotta like plan out each step. There we go. Got some good footage there. Oh yeah. Yeah, the only thing I was checking out was my head. You might want to put that helmet on in case you slip on a big rock and whoa. Oh, we're going to climb back? Alright, oh, this is not bad at all. Oh, this has handles and everything. Nice.
I get those ones.
Yeah, whoever designed those steps did a good job.
Yeah. Yeah. They did, but I don't see this one.
Alright, that was good. Time to go home. Yeah. Woo, we did it. Yeah. Not bad after drinking all night, right? The only tropical rainforest under the United States flag and protected forestry system. We do have other temperate rainforests, which is just a fancy word for cold. Add one to the generator, start your phone. All right, for my gamer people, this feels like an Uncharted game. Let's go try to get a selfie spot. spot. Don't touch that black rock right there, okay? Alright, here it gets. It's gonna get real slippery here, okay? Use your hands.
Yeah, that would be bad.
This is the baby one. That's the big one. I got water in my ears, water in my nose, and water in places I didn't know that water goes.
I got you. Hold on. I'll do it.
Okay. I'm gonna turn around a little bit. I had to do 360 now to get through that. Crazy. Oh man, that was hard.
Well, we're back at the hotel, all cleaned up. I hope you guys enjoyed the GoPro footage, jumping off the cliff, doing the natural water slides. Like, it was just super amazing. So we're definitely gonna come back here and do it again.
One thing I will say about this GoPro, I will upgrade to the 11 if it has a bigger sensor or just overall better low light capability. These cameras are terrible in the dark. We're about to order a bottle of wine, have some steak and fish, start the night like this.
Today's day 3, and we actually slept last night. We had a beautiful dinner, as you saw. We ended up just kind of walking around a little bit and went back to the bakery and just had a bunch of baked goods. Went back to the hotel and I watched Top Gun and fell asleep. We're gonna go ATV riding today, so get ready for that. Gonna bring the GoPro. It's fully charged, so we should be good. I'm just enjoying this right now. This is a beautiful, like, what is this considered, a plantation? Farm plantation. I was real quiet there because supposedly alligators are in here, so I don't want to get eaten by an alligator. That would suck. That would ruin this vacation completely.
We learned how to turn it on.
Yeah, I'm gonna learn how to turn you on next.
forget to subscribe. AJ Core TV. Let's go.
It's not that big.
That's what she said. Hey. The ATV trip was super fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips of that. We're gonna head out to an area where there's bars and clubs. See ya. What's up? This is our last evening out. We're gonna head over to La Placita, like I said, and we're gonna check out some restaurant that we can find that's open at 3:30 p.m. And then by 6, the rooftop bar will open, so we'll head up there and enjoy some drinks from the top. We're about to get down with some authentic Puerto Rican food, my favorite, and then after that,
We're gonna go have fun.
we're gonna drink some adult beverages. It is what it is. All right, guys, this might be the last piece that you guys get to see in Puerto Rico. We're gonna just continue to walk around, have some drinks on our last night. Did you have a good time?
Yep, that was great.
All right, we'll see you guys back home. Peace.